Hey, what's up guys? This is Natalie from Serpstat and welcome back to our channel where we discuss all about SEO tools. We make reviews about them or we make tutorials about the different features that they offer. So for this specific series, we'll be talking about Serpstat. But before we go ahead and discuss any of those, I have a quick PSA for you guys. And it's all about this amazing lead generation tool that we have developed here in Serpstat. If you're looking for a tool that will give you white label audits for your website, and this is definitely that tool. All you need to do is just head on over to our site, and then you're gonna get you can get started by leaving your information here, and also there is this free guide that can show you how Serpstat is amassing agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. So just like above, just leave your information here and then click on this Find Out How button so that you can get started. So that's it. If you're interested, feel free to head on over to serpstat.com, of course, after finishing the video that we have prepared for you for today. So let's go ahead and go back to Serpstat. So as you can see here, I am on their projects dashboard, or more like the specific tool for the previous topic that we discussed, which is about search questions under SEO research here in keyword research function or feature. So today we'll be discussing about top pages and see until where we can actually cover. Let's see how this one pans up. So here in top pages, it just gives you a list of all the top pages related to the keyword that you have inputted. So remember, on the previous video, we decided to put SEO agency as a keyword, and then we also entered google.co.uk for our database. So here you see, or you will find a list of all the top pages related to the keyword, as well as different metrics that are vital in terms of SEO, such as organic keywords, Facebook shares, traffic. So of course you want to know just how much traffic that specific page is getting, and that is so that you know as well how to match that up, or what are the strategies that they are using in the first place. That's why they got on to the top of the ranking. So that's it for top page. We're going to be discussing the last two on the next videos that will be coming, because I want to keep this short so that you can retain all of the information that we have gathered regarding this feature. So yeah, guys, just don't forget to leave a comment if you have any takeaways or have any thoughts whatsoever, or if you want to share your experience with Serpstat if you're already using it. Of course, also like the video and subscribe in our channel so that you can get updated whenever we upload new content. That's it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next video.